Hello everyone. It is Saturday morning. I'm in my little balaclava.
What?
And I'm bringing my sister to get Botox. Filling out her form. She looks like my boss. What? Yeah. I'm here for moral support. So we just had a quick lunch, brunch, breakfast at the Tin Building, and we just needed to document Cassidy eating the fried egg chips. I've had them before, they taste exactly like fried egg. Come this way because it's so light, yeah.
Okay, I'm nervous. How could this look like an egg?
It's an egg. Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
You're actually kidding.
Mm-hmm. It's a yolk.
Ew.
Try it.
No.
What?
It is pure. That's insane.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Like, I don't know.
I know. It's a yolk. It tastes like an egg yolk. I like it.
I don't know if I do.
I do. I want mom to try them so bad.
That's bizarre.
Alright, we're at the vintage show. It's insane and massive. Guys, I made an insane purchase and I got this ring on my ring finger. Don't look at my fingernail that broke, but it's solid gold with a diamond and it's my dream ring and I can't believe I got it. I'm freaking out. It's so good. I'm so obsessed with this dress. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I'd wear it to a wedding, like, are you kidding? It's stunning, it's heavy, it's insane. It's $2,000, so won't be getting after the purchase I just made, but some insane stuff. We all got stuff today. I want like a Mongolian situation like this, Mongolian fur. This is actually really nice. What's the price here? I don't know.
And then I'll pick up my car.
I want it. Obsessed with this. We take that everywhere. Good place.
Here's a black one.
We're online at Little Sweet Treat.
They have the blue one.
We are. You're lying.
Swear to God, she's eating it.
You're lying. Julia, get online. We're Little Sweet. No, we're Bonbon fans, but we are here getting some sour candy. It's so small in there, so we have to wait outside. We're at Rhythm Zero coffee shop in the West Village. It's actually my favorite matcha currently. I get the blueberry matcha latte. They use kettle matcha, which is my favorite, and this place is also so cute. We just got our blueberry matcha lattes, and now we're headed to West Village and in Needle, where we get all the needlepoint and knitting yarns and canvases, and it's everything, and I love it. Oh my god, it's packed today. Thank you. Okay, this is where I get like all of my needlepoint yarn. And oh, Cass, I was gonna for your birthday. I know, I want to look at the other ones. Look at all the cute canvases. So I got my new needlepoint goodies. And now we're headed to this bowl. Just me and my sister now. I cannot wait. It's our favorite lunch. And it's so windy and cold, and I can't wait to go home after this and relax.
Edamame. Nori. Yeah. Nori.
So expensive, but so good. I mean, look at these bowls. You basically got the same thing, but you got broccoli and cabbage. There's so much in here, I can't even go through it, but it's like rice, steamed chicken, carrot, nori, cucumber, avo, scallion crunch. It's insane. We're in Aesop, which is like my favorite place ever. I'm getting a perfume discovery set.
Do you have an email I can link you to?
Yes.
Let me know.
Cierra, C-I-E. Okay, so we're back outside. I'm by myself. My sister went home. I was starting my new Needlepoint campus and realized I didn't have my colorful pens to paint on the canvas. Little life update, I've been into knitting, crocheting, and needlepoint is my little side hobbies. So I'm starting a new needlepoint canvas and I need to paint on my stitches or draw them on, so I need to get pens. And I'm literally running out because my boyfriend Daniel is on his way to come up to the city tonight, and he'll be here in 20 minutes, so I have 20 minutes to go find my pens and start my project. Pens secured. 24 pens for $10. Okay, so I sketched out my letters and I already filled in the TH with some glittery thread. There's some mess ups on the back where I first started and then I flipped it over to restart. So don't mind that, it'll all be filled in and look really nice. But I am about to cook some dinner, so I figured I'd show you. I got this grater off of the TikTok shop, and it's literally the best thing ever. Watch the magic of this. So now I have all these cucumbers. I'm making ramen. Do I want this one? No, I'm gonna do this one. The Momofuku tingly chili wavy noodles. And then for the cucumber, I'm gonna dress it with my favorite things to eat cucumbers with. You'll see in a second. Chili oil, toasted sesame oil, a lot of rice vinegar. I kind of just eyeball everything, but I literally eat this entire cucumber. This is always so hard to open and it always leaks. Let me show you how easy it is to make a hard-boiled egg in the air fryer. Just put them in, I'm gonna do 3 just in case one goes bad, you know? We're gonna do air fry, 300 for 11 minutes. Okay, here is the final quick meal. The air fryer eggs turned out perfect. It was 12 minutes, I think. 11 in the air fryer for 300. Put it in an ice bath for 10 minutes. Cracked it. It's perfect. Kimchi, the noodles. There's a lot. I'm probably only going to eat maybe half. And then the whole cucumber. Healthy, We have protein, we have veggie. I love my kimchi. Let's eat. Okay, I am almost done with the letters. It's almost 11 p.m. I completely lost track of time when I get into these projects. It's like time just goes right by. I'm like so tired. It's 11 p.m. already. Like, where did the Saturday go?
Can I get a big iced Happy Jack with oat milk, please?
Big ice Happy Jack with oat.
Oat milk, yeah.
Iced decaf Happy Jack. Daniel also got one. And we're trying to decide where to go for breakfast/lunch because it's already cinnamon and maple? Cinnamon and honey. Thank you, honey. Okay, we're walking to L'Appartement 4F, which just opened in the West Village, originally in Brooklyn, and it's the best bakery ever. Of course, there's a line. It's their first weekend open. And it's frigid, freezing cold out, so hopefully it won't take too long. Oh, it's just a counter. Wow, interesting. Oh my god, this dog. I feel like it'll go good, I hope. Oh, it's the fluffiest dog ever. Wow, he's so cute. Okay, we got to the front. So many good options. Almond croissant. It's like smashed, so it's crispy. So good. And give it a 9 out of 10. Let me give it. We're going to Rosemary's for breakfast/lunch. It's noon at this point. And it's right next door. Well, now that I got my sweet kick out of the way, I feel like I can do savory. Okay, I have to show you this gift that Daniel got me. And it's the most thoughtful, perfect gift ever. Don't mind the Colts book. I'm very interested in reading that. But, ooh, he got me this embosser stamp that says, let me focus, from the library of Sierra Miller. And it comes with these gold stickers you can do, or you can do it right on the page. Like, are you kidding me? It's perfect. Oh my God. I can't get over it. It's just the cutest thing ever. And it's so much fun to stamp all of my books. This is just kind of like what I'm currently reading or currently read. I'm currently reading The Maid, but I'm going to read The Wedding People next. So I believe this is from the Whispering Paper Co. You can customize your plates to say anything, and he got me another set that say Sierra Miller's Book Club, which is just so cute. And it's easy to use. It's just like a little stamp. I think this is a great gift. It makes me excited to bring home a new book and stamp it. Okay, I can't believe I'm doing this. I just woke up from a nap. I'm going back to the vintage market. I can't help it. You know what? It's the last day. There's 2 hours left. And you know what? I'm bored and I just want to see what is left. It's Sunday. You know what? It's only open twice a year. I just have to go. But I really also need to deep clean my apartment, and it's 3 o'clock. I ate, I napped. I'm gonna just go here really quick, just browse the last final selections, And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna deep clean because I think some girlfriends are coming over to watch the Grammys tonight, so I have to deep clean. I have to do laundry. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna do it. Let's do it. Okay, so I did end up going to the vintage show, but I didn't get anything. Just kind of wanted to like look around one more time before it was done. But now we're home. I just did my laundry and a massive deep clean of the apartment, getting ready for the week. I didn't grocery shop. I need to shower, do an everything shower, and then cook some dinner. The Grammys are on. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.